Scripps Network Interactive is the leading lifestyle producing media company in the world. They are composed of brands such as HGTV, Food Network, Travel Channel. Before moving to the cloud, our IT environment was composed of 2 data centers. We had one on-premise at our office and one that was approximately 5 miles away. We were really involved with trying to support seasonal loads. We run cyclical through the year. With our food brands, we're really big around Thanksgiving to December and January timeframe. And during those timeframes, we're purchasing twice as much hardware as we needed. And we were having to keep that on premise and in a separate data center in order to accommodate our needs. We weren't able to scale and expand our infrastructure as we needed. So moving into the cloud changed how we approached everything. It made us stop and rethink our whole approach to architecture around our applications. All of a sudden, we weren't having to design a bunch of hardware up front to manage our applications. We were able to actually leverage a lot of the AWS services to help us do that scaling for us and actually bring up the load when we need it and bring it back down when we didn't need it. And it gave us the capability to only pay for it when we were using it. Working in the cloud has changed our business completely, especially for the design and motion team. The design and motion team came to us with an emergency. They needed to make a delivery on their dream home sweepstakes within 48 hours. They had tried this with their on-premise hardware. They had failed. They wanted to run this with our cloud render farm. We successfully submitted that job and turned around a production quality render to our broadcast operations within 2 hours, which was considered a complete success. At that point, they came to us and said, we want to move all of our operations into the cloud render farm. AWS and Thinkbox worked with us hand in hand to help us develop the final production solution. They were instrumental in helping us develop and instrument their plugin so that we could move the design and motion teams into the AWS cloud environment. Working with AWS has allowed us to focus more on bringing our business customers' products to market faster. AWS has allowed us to focus on the solutions we need to focus on while they provide us with the back-end infrastructure services that we need in a partner.